Um, excuse me. Hello, I'm looking for my English class.
Hi there. What's your name? I'm Blake.
My name is Quinn. Nice to meet you. Do you know where the English class is?
Nice to meet you too, Quinn. Yes, I'm going to English class right now. How are you?
I'm nervous. This is my first day at this school. I'm new here.
Really? Where are you from? You have a different accent.
I'm from Canada. My family moved here 3 months ago.
That's exciting. Why did your family move here?
My dad got a new job here, and my mom wanted to try living in a different country too.
What does your dad do? What's his job?
My dad is an engineer, and my mom is a graphic designer. What about your parents?
My mom is a doctor and my dad is a teacher. They both work here in the city.
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 17. I've been at this school for 2 years now. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother. His name is Ryan, and he's 13 years old. What about you?
I have an older sister. She's 19 and goes to university. I also have a younger brother who's 14.
That's great. Where does your sister go to university?
She goes to the local university here. She studies medicine like our mom. What about your brother?
My brother goes to the middle school near our house. He likes his new school.
Where do you live now? Is it far from school?
We live in an apartment downtown. It's about 15 minutes from here by bus.
I live in a house with my family too. Our house has a big garden.
That sounds nice.
That's the bell for class. Let's go to the English class together.
Do you like this school? Is it a good one?
Yes, I do. The teachers are nice, and I have many good friends here.
I hope I can make new friends too. At my old school in Canada, I had many close friends.
Do you miss your old school?
Yes, I miss my friends there. My old school was smaller but very friendly.
Do you still talk to your friends in Canada?
Yes, I do. We text every day and we video call on weekends.
That's wonderful. Do you have any pets? I have a dog named Max.
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's very cute and friendly. What kind of dog is Max?
He's a golden retriever and he's 3 years old and loves to play. How old is Luna?
She's 2 years old. She likes to sleep on my bed and play with toy mice.
I love animals. Does your brother like Luna too?
Yes, he does. Ryan loves Luna very much. They play together every evening.
Good morning, class. Oh, I see we have a new student today.
Good morning. My name is Quinn. I'm happy to be here.
Welcome to our school, Quinn. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. My family moved here recently for my dad's new job.
Quinn and I are already becoming friends.
Blake is very kind. She's helping me find my way around the school.
That's wonderful.
Thank you, Blake. I think this school will be great with friends like you.
Excellent. Now, let's begin today's English lesson. Quinn, are you ready to learn with us?
Yes, I am. I'm excited to start my new school life here.
Good morning, Mr. Harrison. Thank you for this job opportunity.
Good morning, Zara. I'm happy you can work here. Let's plan your schedule.
That sounds great. I need to balance work with my university classes.
Of course. What days do you have classes?
I have classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Tuesday and Thursday, I'm free all day.
Perfect. What time do your classes start on class days?
On Monday, my first class starts at 9 a.m. and finishes at 3 p.m. And on Wednesday, classes are from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
What about Friday?
Friday is my longest day. Classes are from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
I see. So you could work Tuesday and Thursday full days?
Yes. On Tuesday, I can work from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. On Thursday, the same schedule works.
What about evenings on your class days?
Monday evening, I can work from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Wednesday, too, same hours.
Friday evening?
Friday evening, I prefer to rest, but if you really need me, I can work until 8 p.m.
That's flexible of you. What about weekends?
Saturday morning, I can work from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sunday, I need for studying.
What about exam periods?
In December, I have final exams. In May, too, I might need some days off.
Which weeks in December?
Usually the second and third week of December. In May, it's the first 2 weeks.
What about other months? Any special schedule changes?
In January, I have a break, so I can work more hours. In March, I have spring break, 1 week off.
July and August?
Summer vacation. I can work full-time Monday through Friday if you need.
Excellent. What days are you absolutely not available?
Sunday is always my study day. Saturday evening, I like to relax with friends.
What time is too late for you to work?
After 9 p.m. is too late on weekdays. On Saturday, I can work until 6 p.m. maximum.
This schedule works perfectly. When can you start?
Monday. At what time should I come in?
Monday at 5 p.m. for evening shift training. Welcome to the team.
And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos.